Ladies and gentlemen, please show some love, some more energy as we now announce the top 5 of Miss Teen Diva 2026. Because from here on, very shortly we'll have the princess, the crowning winner. The top 5 Miss Teen Diva 2026. The first one to make it is contestant number 12, Diva. Contestant number 33, Aishwarya Malang.
Khuborjylla Meghalaya kala rakhi de kajingkemen ya kajingjob jongka Aishwarya Malang na kli yong riang joai ya kanam kum ka Miss Teen Diva 8000 arkunriu bat kum ka Miss Teen Earth India 8000 arkunriu bat kala long kano ya kop ka bandingkong na North East India ban khur ya kanam ladu hakate kajinge khun jongkari nakata kadau kajing job jongka kalawan ra ya kajing sarong ka bakrau tang ya Khuborjylla Meghalaya thenre ya kathan shate lammi ngi barokawai ka Aishwarya kala rung shika national pageant hadien ba kala mi khmat ya Khuborjylla Meghalaya shwa ban net shika final kala ong kajing posneo kala urlong bat kala penpau ya kajing kut jing mut jongka ban pen sarong ya Khuborjylla Meghalaya habar okawai kajing ya kop kala pen shop bi ya kinong bishar da kajing long babha bat kajing start jongka ya kajing job jongka lapan bena haka grand finale balalong haka khat khandai tarik naitung ha Jaipur bat kate ka Theibhabriew kala yo ya kanam kum ka Miss Teen Diva 8000 arkunriu haka ju Khubor kala yo ru ya kanam kum ka Miss Teen Earth India 8000 arkunriu kajing job jongka kalong kajing sarong naga benta ka Meghalaya ka bapan pau ya kajing don jongki Samla ki badan sap bapher kum ka Miss Teen Earth India 8000 arkunriu ka Aishwarya menta kan mi khmat ya kari India ha kajing ya kop ha ka international level ka bara ya kajing kermen jo ka jaj benriu shakaran san jong ka perthai.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for our top 5 contestants of Miss Teen Diva 2026 from different parts of country, states, cities. These girls, these teen divas have made it to top 5. Many congratulations. And can we also have a round of applause for the ones who had a tremendous journey, making it to top 20, to top 11. The ones who unfortunately could not make it will, I'm sure, make it really big in life. Thank you so much, the ones who unfortunately could not make it to top 5 tonight. With that, thank you so much. We'll have to take the back seat and the backstage. Ladies and gentlemen, this is top 5 of Miss Teen Diva 2025. We'll move a little backwards as we now announce winners. But of course, for that, gives me immense pleasure to call upon stage once again Chairman of Glamournand Group. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Nikhil Anand, who will now be doing the honors and announcing all the winners. One by one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Nikhil Anand, Chairman, Glamournand Group. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the time for the results.
Yes.
For the moment, these girls have worked hard for months. Starting with the second runner-up, Miss Teen Diva 2026. Second runner-up is contestant number 12, Dia Dang.
Wow! A second runner-up. Dia has made it. Congratulations. Request Meg Dhingra to please join us on stage. Miss Charm India 2025 to do the honors. The crowning, we request Meg Dhingra to please do the honors. Miss Charm India 2025. We are done. Contestant number 12. Many congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the first crown of the evening. We'll announce the first runner-up when the final two is there. Miss Teen Grand India 2026 goes to contestant number 16, Snigdha Boyan.
Contestant number 16, Snigdha. Congratulations. Wow. What an iconic moment. We have Miss Teen Grand India 2026, Ruchi Jadhav to do the honors. Miss Teen Multi-International India 2025. Miss Teen Multinational India 2025. Ruchi Jadhav to do the honors for this prestigious and iconic moment. Come on, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Teen Universe India 2026 goes to Miss Teen Universe India 2026 goes to contestant number 34, Prashushi Panda.
Whoa! Congratulations! To do the honors, we have Miss Teen North Shruti Mahesh. Miss Teen North India 2025 to do the honors. We have Niranjana to do the honors.
Niranjana Tiwari, Miss Teen Universe India 2025.
Miss Teen Universe India 2026. We have Niranjana Tiwari, Miss Teen Universe India 2025. Crowning our princess, Miss Teen Universe India 2026. Creating history, making headlines.
top two can proceed ahead in the center. Take the center seat. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Teen Diva 2026 will be the new Miss Teen Earth India as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Teen Diva 2026 is contestant number 33, Aishwarya Malang.
Miss Teen Earth India 2026. Wow. Can we have Shruti Mahesh, Miss Teen Earth India 2025, to do the honors, to do the crowning, a reigning queen. The history has been created tonight with Miss Teen Diva 2026. That the world can witness tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, first girl from Northeast to win the main title of Miss Teen Diva 2026. Tonight, the history has been created. This is one iconic moment. This is the winner. First one from Northeast to be Miss Teen Diva 2025. Congratulations, and now it's time for our first runner-up who has been super close. Can we have a round of applause for our first runner-up? And to crown her, we have our Miss Universe India 2025, Manika Vishwakarma. Our first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for the one who was super close tonight? Here we have the first runner-up crown, ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Universe India 2025, Manika Vishwakarma. Contestant number 21, Wechini Thakre. One iconic moment, ladies and gentlemen, tonight on the stage of Miss Teen Diva 2026. Wherein the history has been created once again. tears of joy, the smiles, the winning heart, the winning feels is all we have tonight. Can we all make some noise and round of applause? Shout out to our ultimate winners tonight. The tears of joy, smile, the positivity all across. Absolutely live from Miss Teen Diva 2026. We have the winning queens right here. The world can witness tonight.